नमस्ते, मेरा नाम स्नेहा मिश्रा है और जो हम आज का टॉपिक कवर करेंगे वो है आगत ध्वनियाँ. ओके. एंड आगत वर्ड. सो ध्वनि मीन्स लेटर एंड वर्ड मतलब शब्द होता है. सो द वर्ड विच डोंट बिलोंग फ्रॉम हिंदी लिपि. लिपि मीन्स द वे ऑफ राइटिंग स्क्रिप्ट. सो आवर हिंदी लिपि is a Devanagari, like Urdu is a Farsi, English is a Roman, Punjabi is a Gurumukhi. So similarly for us it is a Devanagari. Okay, so the word which came from different language and they are very important part of our Hindi language, they called आगत ध्वनिया. आगत मतलब coming, आना. Okay, आगत ध्वनिया और आगत word. Now let's understand with this worksheet which I have prepared with my hand because I feel more comfortable in it. I am still an old school teacher. So now here you will see. So there are आगत ध्वनिया और आगत शब्द should come here. So the word which is not belongs from Hindi language, they came from another language, they call आगत ध्वनिया. For example, za and fa. So basically you will see one dot na, dot. That dot called nukta. Okay, which we put under the letter, and in next video we'll learn in detail what is called nukta. Za and fa, these are the dhwani, matlab letter, word. And TV, telephone, moza, khidki, and this is a galat, kharab, photo, zameen. These all are, we don't know from which different languages these came. Okay, so like telephone, we can say these came from this is an English word. Okay, and if you talk about zameen, it's like a Urdu word. So these words are not from Hindi language, they came from different language. Okay, that's why they call agat dhwaniya. Okay, so these letters or word came from Persian, Farsi, English and Urdu. That's why they called agat dhwaniya. Now let's see our task sheet. Find 10 words, okay, word with za and fa, and listen the pronunciation. It is za and fa, it is not ja or fa. Okay, when you put a nukta, the pronunciation will become different. Now tell me, given word came from which language? Kafan, this I know very well, it is from Urdu. Zameen, tell me from where it came. Computer and photo. Okay, and there's one tough word which called computer. What we say computer in Hindi? Okay, the computer we use in daily. Now what we say in Hindi, and there is one word called Lohgamini. The word Lohgamini. Can you tell me what we say Lohgamini in English? Thank you.